A big bowl of these soups will satisfy you for several hours without taking in a lot of calories, which is useful when trying to lose weight. In addition, it's a simple way to increase your vegetable servings daily. Something all of us could profit from. Watch this video on parshealthhtv until the end, because we are going to be sharing with you 2 recipes that are vitamin bombs and help you to lose weight if you replace them with your dinner. Stay tuned with us. One Veggies Soup. All veggies are welcome complements to this vegetable soup, and as you know, vegetables deliver many health benefits. Almost all veggies offer fiber, which keeps you full and satisfied for a longer time and can help in weight loss. We utilize onions, celery, carrots, green beans, tomatoes, kale, zucchini, and garlic in our veg soup, but there's room to be creative. Here are some other veggies that taste well in this soup. Leeks, potatoes, fennel, sweet potatoes, mushrooms, sweet peppers, eggplant, spinach, peas, corn, and Swiss chard. If you feel experimental, a good rule of thumb is to choose a few veggies from the allium family, think onions, leeks, and garlic, to initiate building the flavor. Move next to veggies that add bulk, like carrots, squash, and peas. Finally, like spinach or kale, 1 or 2 delicate leafy greens add texture to it. You can also change up the broth you utilize. Add vegetable, no chicken, or mushroom broth for a vegetarian soup, or chicken or beef broth for a meatier flavor. It's simple to enjoy a quick and healthy dinner if you've got veg soup on hand. Just prepare through step 3 and refrigerate for up to 6 days, or portion the soup and freeze for up to 5 months. Complete step 4 just before serving. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, 2 medium carrots, chopped, 1 medium onion, chopped, 2 stalks of celery, chopped, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 12 ounces fresh green beans, cut into half-inch pieces, beans, rinsed, 8 cups of no salt added chicken broth or low-sodium vegetable broth, 2 15-ounce cans of low-sodium cannellini or other white, 4 cups chopped kale, 4 Roma tomatoes, seeded and chopped, 2 medium zucchini, chopped, 8 teaspoons prepared pesto, 2 teaspoons red wine vinegar, ½ teaspoon ground pepper, 3/4 teaspoon salt. To stay up to date with our latest videos, make sure to subscribe and press the notification bell button. Directions. Step 1. Heat oil in a big pot over medium-high heat. Add onion, celery, carrot, green beans, and garlic to the pot. Cook. It would be best if you frequently stir it until the vegetables start to soften, which takes about 10 minutes. Step 2. Add broth and bring to a boil. Lower heat to a simmer and cook, occasionally stirring, until the veggies are soft, approximately 10 minutes more. Step 3. Add white beans, zucchini, kale, tomatoes, salt, vinegar, and pepper. Raise heat to return to a simmer. Cook until the zucchini and kale get softened. This step also takes almost 10 minutes. Step 4. Top each serving of soup with 1 or 2 teaspoons of pesto. Two cabbage soup. It works, because it cuts your calories, harmful sugar, and starches for a while. Drink lots of water, and you'll lose weight quickly. It's quick. By the morning of your 8th day, the scale will always be 7 to 10 pounds lighter. Your clothes fit differently, and your usually bloated gut is flat. This soup is great for starting a real diet or eating plan. You know, one where you eat various healthy foods and a decent calorie balance. Sometimes you just need a jumpstart, a cleanse, or increased confidence on the scale. This diet does it. This veggie soup recipe is tasty, healthy, and filling. It's excellent for weight loss because it's filling and low in calories. I enjoy a small bowl of this cabbage soup for dinner, or enjoy it as a snack to tide me over until dinner. It's also low carb and keto friendly too. This soup is really quick to make, reheats well, and you can use proteins or whole grains to make a hearty, delicious meal. Prepared as directed, this cabbage soup comes in at only 55 calories per 1 cup serving. It is loaded with many healthy nutrients like protein, vitamins, and minerals. Ingredients: This is the greatest soup for any kind of add-in. It will still turn out perfectly. You can use beef, chicken, and any homemade stock or broth or vegetable broth if you prefer. A combination of veggies makes this soup fun and flavorful. The cabbage adds bulk and fills up your belly. If you're not a fan of cabbage, you can definitely substitute kale or spinach. Remember that kale will add more bulk, and spinach will shrink down quite a bit. Low-carb veggies. Cabbage, cauliflower, beans, bell peppers, zucchini, tomatoes, broccoli, and celery. Starchy veggies. Carrots, corn, potatoes, sweet potatoes, may require longer to cook, and green peas. Use your favorite seasonings. Minced garlic, fresh thyme, bay leaves, and basil add a delicate flavor to your soup that completes the vegetables. Optional additions are red pepper flakes or a squeeze of lemon juice. How to make. Homemade veg soup is excellent for a make-ahead dinner. I learned to make this nutritious soup recipe years ago, and it's always a staple in our kitchen. Cook garlic and onion until softened. Then you should add cabbage, green beans, and carrots, then cook until tender. Add remaining ingredients, except for zucchini, and simmer as directed in the recipe. Now you should add zucchini and cook until soft. Remove bay leaves before serving. It will be perfect for serving the soup with a sprinkle of a small dollop of sour cream, Greek yogurt, or fresh Parmesan cheese. Storing cabbage soup. While this soup isn't a magical weight loss mystery, if you're trying to cut calories, it is excellent to have in your fridge ready to enjoy when you require a snack or dinner. This soup reheats well, so combine a big batch and enjoy it throughout the week. Keep cabbage soup in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Freeze chilled soup in zippered bags or a freezer-safe container for up to 3 months. Reheat or thaw directly on the stovetop. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to like it and share it with your friends. Don't hesitate to leave a comment and share your ideas with us. See ya!